about the grammar of KOTO. The grammar of KOTO is mean must do or something that you want to do. It's mean KOTO. KOTO is mean thing, right? Something. And when you use the KOTO, you can use with the verb in dictionary form and the negative form or night form. Not only night, but you can use you can use with the night form. So remember that you can use with the verb only in dictionary form or in night form. And the KOTO is mean do what something that you have to do or you want to do. But actually, KOTO is mean the thing. The thing that is replaced or instead of something, right? So now let's see some example of how to use. O koi o dasanai koto. O koi o dasanai koto. Which means don't speak with a loud voice. Don't speak with a loud voice. An example. 晩ご飯の前にデザートを食べないこと。晩ご飯の前にデザートを食べないこと。Which means that no eating dessert before dinner. No eating dessert before dinner. For the first sentence, you see that they use o koi o dasanai koto. Dasanai koto, koto is mean that the thing that you have to operation, that you have to perform, follow, right? O koi o dasanai koto, that means don't speak with a loud voice. That is the thing that you have to perform, like something like this. And the second sentence we see that tabe nai koto, that is mean the eating. If we say tabe nai, it mean no eating, no eat, or don't eat, right? And if you koto, this mean that mean about eating story, or eating, or having dinner, having lunch, having breakfast. That means something like this. So that means when you put koto with the verb, that means to be noun. It change the verb to be noun. So for eat, you can change eating, right? Taberu koto. If you say taberu koto, it means eating. Tabe nai koto is no eating. So we change the verb to be like this. So this sentence is, you see that it say 晩ご飯の前にデザートを食べないこと。This means no eating dessert before dinner. The next example. お金を大切にすること。お金を大切にすること。Which means use your money wisely. Use your money wisely. The next example. 休むときは必ず学校に連絡すること。休むときは必ず学校に連絡すること。Which means when you must contact the school when you want to take a day off. You must contact the school when you want to take a day off. For the first sentence, that you see that we use the grammar koto with the verb suru, which means do, right? When you say suru, it means do, so we put suru with koto, it means change to the word suru to be noun, so it means doing, right? お金を大切にすること it means that you should put the important for your money, right? Money is important for your life, right? because every day you have to use money to buy food, buy things, buy clothes, or buy car, anything in your life. Money is have the effect to your life, so you should use money in the important way. So in Japanese they can say お金を大切にすること This means pay attention to your money. Use it in the word way. And for the second sentence, we'll see that we use 連絡する. 連絡する is mean contact. But when we use the koto, 連絡すること they mean contacting. We change the verb to be the noun, right? Contacting. So they say 休むときは必ず学校に連絡すること which means that when you take day off, you must contact to your school to let them know that you are take day off. So this is about how to use the koto. One important thing that you want to remember how to use the koto is mean that when you use the koto with the verb, the noun, the verb, that mean you change the verb to be the noun, right? For example, すること. する is mean do, but you すること is mean doing. Do the thing, something like this. Or 連絡する is mean contact. But you change to be the verb, the noun you can change. 連絡すること they mean contacting. Contacting, right? While you translate to the sentence, you should know how to translate in English. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。